My name is Brittany Teacher. Today is Friday, March 6th, 2020. I'm here to teach the AHA grammar lesson for class 102 and 105. Today, we are going to work in our AHA grammar student book, Unit 19. We're going to talk about something called imperatives. Imperative means it's something you must do. These are direct orders we give without saying please or thank you. These are things we tell each other to do. You can think of an imperative like a rule. If you imagine your rules in class, things like raise your hand, don't shout, be nice. These are imperatives. These are things we must do. It's not a suggestion. It's not something that we can maybe do. It's imperative. We must do it. Let's look at some examples. Do, affirmative, things we must do. Wash your hands. Clean your room. Turn on the radio. These are affirmative things. Do it. Do it. Wash your hands. Turn on the radio. Do it. These are don't imperatives. Don't do it. These are rules that we say don't do. Don't play the piano. Don't close the window. Don't bring your umbrella. Okay, can you think about rules in your home or your classroom? Things we must do or things we must not do? If you can think of these examples, they are imperatives. Another type of imperative is let's. Let's means let us. Let us do something. Let's play outside. Let's go to the movies. Let's take a nap. These are things we should do together. Let's look at other examples. Let's study English. Let's make a circle. Let's play baseball. These are examples of things we do, don't do, and we do together. Here are some more examples. I'm going to point, and I want you to repeat after me. Close the window. Turn off the light. Wash your hands. Don't bring your umbrella. Don't eat junk food. Don't open the door. Let's make a snowman. Let's play basketball. Let's make a circle. Okay, these are examples of imperatives. Let's practice using them. Read and circle the imperative. Imagine that you are circling the order. Do it. Brush your teeth. This is an order, something you have to do. Brush your teeth, not brushes your teeth. Brushes is not an imperative. Brushes is an action, but it's not something I'm telling you to do. Brush. Do it. Do it. Brush your teeth. Brushes your teeth is a description. He or she brushes their teeth before bed. We're talking about someone else. But brush your teeth is something that you have to do now. Number 2, turns on the light or turn on the light. Which one is the order? Do it. Turn on the light. That's right. Try to answer the rest by yourself. Take a picture of your answers and check them with the answer key. Look and write. Now we need to check. Now we need to do positive, affirmative, or negative. Do or don't. Okay, let's check. Look at this picture. She is saying the paint is wet on the bench. So it's a negative action. Don't sit on the bench. Let's look at number 2. He's playing on the computer and the TV is on. That's right, we need to turn off the TV. Because if he's not watching the TV, it doesn't need to be on. What about number 3? People are sleeping, she is saying. So it's too noisy. Should we play the piano? No, don't play. Do you see the X? X, X, and X means don't. Don't do this. So choose the right word and either write don't or affirmative. Don't negative or the regular word by itself, which is affirmative. Let's try again. Next page. Now we need to write the imperative response for the situation. We have a problem, okay? And an imperative response will help us solve the problem. For example, if your room is messy, you should clean it. Your room is messy. Clean your room. What is the response? What is the phrase that solves the problem if we have this situation? Let's look at our options. Don't play outside. Be quiet, please. Don't open the door. Wash your hands. These are solutions. These are problems. Which problem matches the solution? Problem, you have a messy room. Solution, clean your room. Number 2, problem, the baby is sleeping. Solution, that's right, be quiet, please. Okay, finish 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. D, read, look, and unscramble. You have an imperative sentence here that you need to put in the correct order. All these sentences are going to begin with let's. Let's do something, okay? Number 1, it is sunny, so let's play basketball. All of them will begin with let's. Let's do or don't do something. What is happening here? It's snowing, so they want to make a snowman. Let's make a snowman. It is snowing. Let's make a snowman. 3 and 4, please try by yourself. Last page, 88, school rules. Remember, rules are imperatives. Raise your hand, be nice, sit nicely. These are rules, and rules are imperatives because there's no please or thank you, and it's not a suggestion, not something optional. It's something you must do. Okay, let's look at our options. To do, not to do, affirmative, negative. Let's look. Run, listen, chew, be, help, wear, use, raise, throw, and be again. So we're going to use be twice. To do, quiet in class. What should we do? That's right, we should be quiet in class. How about not to do? There are 2 blanks. Don't be late for school. All of these are probably going to begin with don't because they're negative. Don't be late for school. Be quiet in class. Don't be late for school. Okay? So that takes care of the 2 B's. So you can cross out B and B and then continue with the rest of the chart. Now we need to look and write. There are symbols here, pictures, and we need to come up with the imperative, positive or negative, affirmative or negative, that goes with the picture. This should be pretty simple since most of you understand rules very easily. For example, number 1, there's a hand that says no. And what are they doing? They are running, that's right. Remember, imperatives, we don't say ing. We don't say don't running or stop running. That's not an imperative. The imperative would be don't run. Just don't run. We just use the word don't for a negative, and then we use the action in its simple form, run. Okay? Try numbers 2, 3, and 4 by yourself. After you are finished, please take a picture, check your answers using the answer key that we have provided for you, and take a picture and send it to me so that I can check it. Thank you, class 102 and 105 for watching. I will see you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.